Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Melissa with Design by Ann. Just wanted to give you a quick update and also a tutorial on sea glass. But before I do, I just wanted to share with you about my selection of beads. These are aqua glass beads, aqua green, aqua blue, and I have some clear ones in here, as well as some sea glass beads. They're all glass, as you can see right here. You can see that. And I wanted to share with you a little bit about sea glass. When you buy sea glass, it may come in a mesh like this. These are pink and also white. What happens with sea glass and how it's developed is that sea glass is produced in the ocean. So when people are tossing like bottles and glass out into the shore, the sea waves come in and they kind of tumble the sea glass. And this is what it ends up turning out to be. So you get that little smoky glass look. Here are two pieces that I've designed using sea glass in wire wrap. You can see that. And so we're just going to take these and we're going to wash them. You can use either vinegar and water or regular dishwashing detergent, so it'll bring back their luster. And we're going to use some wire wrap, copper wires, to give it a great look. So thank you for subscribing or visiting our channel. You can also like us, and we'll be back at another time. Thank you for watching.